How to use dual apps in Samsung M32. First of all, open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer, scroll down and tap on Advanced feature. In this menu, you will find the dual messenger option. Tap on it to proceed. Next, you will see a list of supported apps that can be cloned. Look for the app you want to duplicate. Toggle the switch next to the app to enable the second version. Here I am choosing WhatsApp. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to install a second app. Tap Install to confirm. After the installation is complete, you will see a second WhatsApp icon with a small orange symbol on it. Now, open the second WhatsApp and go through the setup process using your other phone number. This method works not only for WhatsApp but also for other supported apps like Facebook, Messenger, Telegram, and more. It's a simple and effective way to keep your personal and work accounts separate on the same phone. And that's it. Now you know how to use dual apps in Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.